Hey guys, it is Rain here. I'm here with another reaction, and today is my birthday. And most awesomeness of awesomeness, Ekoh, one of my favorite rappers, released a song. Technically last night. Or, it's still today. So, best birthday present ever is Ekoh released a song, Lucidius released a song, Whit Lowry released a song a couple of days ago too, so I will be doing reactions for all of them here. But the first one is, of course, one of my favorites, Ekoh. Song is called Watch Out. I've been super excited for this one because he's played a bunch of clips through his live videos over the last few months, and I've been super excited for this one because it is gonna be the Heart Hop Gang anthem. For you guys who don't know Ekoh, Heart Hop is his thing, because it is hip hop, but it's for the heart. Like he's got some real songs that mean a lot to a lot of people, including me. So Heart Hop Gang, I am all about it. So excited for this. So let's go ahead and just pop in.
Trying to bring me down, but it's on now. Yeah, you know what we about, going all out. Heart Hop Gang,
This is one of the only times I will ever say that it is okay to say ye. Otherwise, I'm super against it, but it's Ekoh. I can't help it. I like the sound of it so far. It definitely sounds like it might be one of his more like flex songs, which I love because Ekoh's got talent, dude. He deserves to be able to like shout it out.
Now we're coming for the crown, we don't stop now. They've been trying to bring me down, but it's on now. Yeah, you know what we about, going all out. Heart Hop Gang, yeah, know that I'm coming through. Homie, we taking the W. With the same crew, it ain't nothing new. If you ain't already in, I don't fuck with you. Yeah, fool, but I take yours. Run around with some beats on the skateboard. Making noise on the soul, trying to make more. Got a lot of enemies, man, what you waiting for? I don't got time for the haters. Put up a block for the shit that be stressing me. No, if he taught this shit then and supported me now, then he still ain't a friend of me. Yeah, I've been gone for a minute, just up in the kitchen, perfecting the recipe. Music, I gave you my heart and my brain and my money. There ain't nothing left of me. Best of this.
Okay, I already love this so much. Definitely he is flexing. He's like, I'm gonna take the W. I don't even care about you haters. Y'all are frenemies. Because the one thing Ekoh keeps talking about, and he'll say it over and over and over again, and so will I, is if you are a hater, why the hell are you following these people? Why are you commenting on their things? If you really hate this person that much, you're just gonna ignore whatever they do because you don't care about it. But if you're following them, if you're commenting on their stuff, you're taking the time out of your day to argue with a bunch of their fans of stuff, you're still giving them clout, you're giving them recognition, you're making other people aware of them. So you're really bad at hating on people if you do all that stuff. Just saying. I like his recipe line. I'm actually take that back a little bit.
W with the same crew, it ain't nothing new. If you ain't already in, I don't fuck with you. Yeah, fool, but I take yours. Run around with some.
If you ain't already in, I don't fuck with you. You don't like me, alright. I don't really care. I'm not gonna talk to you. If you like me, hell yeah. That's basically what he's saying there.
For the skateboard, making noise on the soul, trying to make more. Got a lot of enemies, man, what you waiting for? I don't got time for the haters. Put up a block for the shit that be stressing me. No, if he taught this shit then and supported me now, then he still ain't a friend of me. Yeah, I've been gone for a minute.
No, if you're talking shit, you're still supporting me, now you're a friend of me. Keep that in mind, haters. Keep that in mind. He has this one video that's like, PSA to all the haters out there that friggin' love it. It's like a minute long, but it is amazing. I love it. It's hilarious. It's great.
Just up in the kitchen, perfecting the recipe. Music, I gave you my heart and my brain and my money. There ain't nothing left of me, rest of the century. I don't wanna let
that music, I gave you my heart and my money. There ain't nothing left of me. I have given everything into this music. I don't have anything left. But that's okay because this music is here for me. These fans are here for me. Everything, like, he's got it going down. He's an independent artist, and he's actually been able to make a career out of this. He hasn't had to have another job in a while, because us fans out here representing with all the Ekoh merch. I'm not wearing the Ekoh shirt because I just got home, but I have one. I got my hat, my lovely, lovely hat. I'm so happy with my hat. Got some stickers and stuff up here you can't see, but I love Ekoh. I also got this thing. Made this one. I'm a fan. Let's keep going.
my brain and my money, there ain't nothing left of me, rest of the century. I don't wanna let it, but I know if I said it, I get it eventually. This is the destiny, leaving a legacy, bringing the heat and the message with density. All independently, y'all ain't impressing me. You can line everyone up alphabetically, and I will conquer them all on my quest to be king. Y'all can bend the knee.
Ooh, I'm the king, y'all can bend the knee. That's one of the best flex lines out there, you gotta admit. I just get so excited. Especially like his happy songs, I just get so excited. Yes, I just want to like jump everywhere and dance and like rock out to this. I'm sorry, I keep getting distracted and losing my place here, losing my mind.
All independently, y'all ain't impressing me. You can line everyone up alphabetically, and I will conquer them all on my quest to be king. Y'all can bend the knee.
He even mentions that he does it independently.
We don't stop now. They've been trying to bring me down, but it's on now. Yeah, you know what we about, going all out. Hard hop gang, watch out. Now we coming for the crown. We don't stop now. They've been trying to bring me down, but it's on now. Yeah, you know what we about, going all out.
Heart hop gang,
Y'all wouldn't know this shit if it just punched you in the face. So I'ma punch you in the face to check you just in case. These rappers acting like this industry is more a race than a marathon, but I swear it's not. Keep the pace. Wanna get it, they don't really wanna step on. Trying to keep up, people running up.
Okay, first of all, I love the flow switch that just happened there, and the faster flow switch that just happened like 5 seconds ago. I'm gonna punch you in the face. Oh, I love his threats. But I love that part. It's like all these artists out here are thinking that it's a race when it's a marathon. It doesn't matter how fast you start. It doesn't matter how fast you go. It's whether or not you have staying power. Otherwise, you're just going to be a one-hit wonder. There's going to be people who know one song about you, one thing about you, and that's it. Everyone else fell off. Everyone else stopped listening. But artistry is not a race where it just matters who gets the biggest hit out first. It doesn't matter. It's a marathon. You gotta keep pace. You gotta keep going. You gotta keep trucking. You gotta keep releasing new stuff. You gotta keep your name out there. If you keep going through this, then you'll eventually you can reach that finish line, whatever it is, whether it's fame, your retirement, whatever you think you need your finish line to be. But you gotta keep a steady pace at it rather than just go at full speed, get into the finish line, and then what? You got nothing left. So you gotta keep working at it. You gotta keep going at it. It's not just a one hit wonder kind of thing. Little back to that speed up.
Nah, keep the pace. Wanna get it, they don't really wanna step on. Trying to keep up, they running out of breath, huh? Everybody can suffer being the best one. I just wanna be the one to get up out of death zone. I know you're flying your gear on the set. I would just be over here with my friends. Spend your advance for a year on the bench. Homie, that's something really wish it to flex. Yeah, I don't get it. I just wanna talk my shit when my check in the whip getting blown. Feeling in the zone. Knowing I'm one hit away, then we up and I'm not going home. Never alone. Took the
I just want to talk shit in the whip with my chick getting blown. Dang it, Echo! Every once in a while he drops his lines in there that I'm like, what? Why? Why would you say this? But, I mean, other people out there be saying way worse. I appreciate it, and I'm like, why at the same time? But I still love him.
I wanna talk my shit when my chick in the whip getting blown, feeling in the zone, knowing I'm one hit away, then we up and I'm not going home, never alone. Took the bottom over and then we came up. Hey, when I make it, I'm taking all the day one.
Hey. Took over the bottom, now I'm coming up. When I come up, I'm taking all the day ones. Like, if you're a day one fan, shout out to you. Like, I admittedly am not a day one fan because I only heard of him last year thanks to a friend. Best decision ever. He ended up in my top 3 artists on Spotify last year still. Definitely gonna make it this year again. But I still went back and listened to all his oldest music. I'm also very excited because he's gonna release another version of Miss Humpty Dumpty. He took it off, which made me very sad. It was one of my favorite songs. Even though I could only find it on YouTube, I would keep going back to YouTube to listen to it. But he took it off because he was revisiting it. He was trying to make it better. He was trying to bring everything he's learned about the industry back into the song to revamp it, to hopefully make it have more staying power. I am very excited about that because that is one of my favorite songs. It's gonna be amazing. So amazing.
They've been trying to bring me down, but it's on now. Yeah, you know what we about going on.
Ignore my dumb dancing.
Hard hop gang, watch out. Now we coming for the crown, we don't stop now. They've been trying to bring me down, but it's on now. Yeah, you know what we about going all out.
Heart hop gang. Alright, that was Watch Out by Ekoh. It is definitely something I'm going to be bumping a lot because, again, it's going to be the Heart Hop Gang anthem, basically. And Heart Hop is amazing. It's great. Where was I going with this? Yeah, I appreciate it. It was definitely something that you want to dance to. Ignore all the dumb dancing. I can't help it. You want to move to it. You know, he had some flexing in there. He had a little bit of threats in there. He had some humor. He had some advice. Again, all you haters, learn how to actually hate. Just saying. But, A1, amazing song. I'm so happy. Happy birthday to me. I got this song as a present. I'm not that special, but still, it was awesome that it happened to fall on this date. I'll see you guys in the next one.